Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this stylish BMW 1 Series 1.5 118i M Sport with the DCT automatic gearbox. This vehicle has currently done 18,744 miles and it's finished in the colour Storm Bay. It's a very sporty looking hatchback that's also super premium. It sits nicely on 18-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you will find 380 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,200 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous black leather interior. It features ice fix points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position. To the left of your steering wheel you have your cruise control. To the right you'll find controls for adjusting the infotainment system. You've got your display here in the instrument cluster with access to different driving data as well as the digital speedometer. You can also see the vehicle's mileage. Centered in the dashboard you have your infotainment screen. You can control it using the dial and buttons here in the center console. It's also touchscreen, so you can use it either way. The system has access to DAB radio as well as USB input and Bluetooth audio, allowing you to play your own music. You've got your communication page where you can pay phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. The system does come with navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You've got your car menu with access to driving information, your vehicle status where you can see your engine oil level and the vehicle's service requirements, as well as recorded service history. You also have vehicle settings. Here you can access your driver assist features. You've got your front collision warning system and your lane departure warning system to keep you safe and secure when on the go. You also have access to your lighting. You do have ambient lighting throughout the interior with a selection of colours to choose from. You've got your apps menu with your installed apps from the BMW store. You can also access Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to easily pair your smartphone up to the system. You do have front and rear parking sensors, which makes parking much easier. Below from the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. It comes with heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. In the centre console there's two cup holders, your USB input and a 12-volt socket. There's also your automatic gear selector there. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.